This video is designed to help you create a duplicate tab to simplify your workflow in QuickBooks Online. Basically, all you need to do is come up to this top tab, right-click, duplicate, and you can have multiple screens working on the same business profile. So the reason why I think this video is important is because some of you might be coming from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online, and QuickBooks Desktop has the ability to let you have several tabs open at the same time without taking you out of the other screens. So this video is designed to help you get that same process rolling. It just looks a little different. So an example would be if you did not know how a rental was coded in the past, you can come to your other tab and search without being exited out of the bank feed, figure out where that was coded last time, and then you can come back and take care of it. Versus not having any of these tabs open, coming to the advanced search and being exited out of the bank feed. So it slows you down a little bit. So I highly suggest duplicating your tab. That way you can work screen to screen to make your workflow a lot easier.